Hello some viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video we are going to discuss how we can install Harvester. Okay, what exactly is the Harvester, guys? Harvester is a tool for gathering email accounts, subdomains and public sources. Okay, for example, if you want to install Harvester, just type sudo the HARVESTER Harvester. Okay, Harvester is already the newest version is already installed. Okay, now the Harvester space -d space example.com space -l space -b space or. Okay, it will search queries available in Google, LinkedIn, VirusTotal, everything for example.com. Okay, let's click on enter. All the API keys, everything it search. What exactly is -d? -d is target domain, -l is limit of number of results, -b is data source called passive information gathering from all the sources. Okay, the Harvester, you have to use this. Okay, -d specifies the target domain. Okay, domain can be khali.org and -b select data engine source. Okay, DuckDuckGo. Okay, let's say DuckDuckGo, click on enter. Where the target domain is khali.org. In DuckDuckGo we are searching the khali.org. Let's see one more thing, cisco.com. I'll say D is for domain, B is for search engine. I want to check search engine all. Take the Cisco information on all the search engines. So it is getting all the information from different domains. So this is how Harvester is used, guys. Hope you like the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.